Hello everyone, in today's video I'm going to show you how to fix cannot receive text messages in Realme Narzo 80 Lite. So before watching this video, don't forget to subscribe the channel and also press the bell icon. So let's start the video. First of all, open settings. In settings, scroll down and click on apps. After clicking on apps, then click on app management and then scroll down and find messages app. Now click on messages app and then click on storage usage. Now here you can clear the cache memory of messages app. After clear the cache memory, then go back to the main page of your settings and click on system and update. On top you can see the option software update. Now click on it and here you can check your latest version will be updated or not. If it doesn't update to latest version, then update it to latest version. After updating a latest version, then go back and click on backup and reset, and then again click on click on reset phone and then click on reset network settings. Now enter your password to reset your network settings. It will reset only network settings but never destroy and other data like photos, videos and other personal data. After that, if it doesn't fix your problem, then restart your device. For restart your device, press and hold power button and then swipe up to restart your device. I hope this video is helpful for you. Thanks for watching.